Allchinabuy versus Joyabuy. Shipping, items, and prices compared. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's compare our two platforms over here. So first things first, let's compare their items. Let's search up denim jacket on both of these platforms. Now in both of these platforms, you can actually search with photos. So that's actually a really cool feature that would allow us to find more items. But as you can see here, I looked up denim jacket, but we don't have any results in both of our platforms over here, whether it's Taobao or 1688 over here. But in our All China Buy, we're able to find products just like this one over here. So I'm not sure why in Joya Buy you can't see it since they have the same platform either way, like it's getting it from the same platform, as you can see. But anyway, let's compare their different pricing or like their shipping options. So we can click on our shipping over here on our Joyabuy, the estimation, we could check out the estimation for different products that are going to be shipped. So in Joyabuy, we could see our estimation there, but over here, let's click on shipping calculator so we can compare them. In terms of prices, they are going to be very similar since they are getting the same products from the same sources such as Taobao and 1688. But over here, we could simply select our, let's put in the Philippines, and over here, for our grams, so let's say 500 for the weight over here. We're going to simply click on calculate. So for the weight, so we're going to put 500 over here, then click on calculate, and then you will be able to see here how much the shipping fee for the different platforms or different companies would be. Over here, we could do the same thing similarly. So instead of USA over here, we could have somewhere near in China, or like let's go with the Philippines over here if it's available. Let's just go with China since it's similar or nearby. And for the weight, let's go put in 500 as well. Click on check now. Let's just select a random one for now. Check now. And we will be able to see here, in terms of prices, it is similar. As you can see, Chinese yen over here, $14, but for this one, $26. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.